Alright, good morning everybody, and welcome to Stormtopia.com. We're in for our first nor'easter of the season, about 36 hours from now, and I don't think it'll be the last. Here's our latest expectations. At the core, there'll be very large waves, around 10 to 18 feet. There'll be very strong wind gusts at the coastal areas of southern New England and perhaps the tri-state region, 30 to 50 miles per hour. And there'll be heavy rain as well, 1 to 2 inches, quick back-end dusting of snowfall is possible in the eastern Great Lakes and the central Great Lakes. Any good forecaster to analyze the future must first analyze the present. Well, what's going on presently? The big feature right now are two things: short wave over the Ohio Valley and very intense energy in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. Now, these are going to collide over the next 36 hours and just go kaboom over our region, which is why we're expecting such a significant nor'easter. But let's just go over the forecast for the next couple of days first. Today is quiet, pretty chilly, really not that bad of a day. Wednesday is when things get pretty intense. The low pressure system starts to move up in our region. Heavy rain starts to overspread. It doesn't get real intense until Wednesday evening into Thursday. The worst of it might come in the pre-dawn hours of Thursday. This 30 to 50 mile an hour wind gust sweeping across New England, and the low pressure system's going to be coming out through the northern mid-Atlantic. We're going to be dealing with some late day snow showers possible in eastern Michigan. And what's going to happen here? What's going to happen is the rain's going to start to clear out pretty significantly after the morning hours to the mid-Atlantic, which is why I'm actually expecting a pretty decent day for them. Let's take a look at just timing this thing out. Alright, so you can get a good idea of what you can expect. This is the latest NAM model, and all the models are agreeing on this storm at this point, so we don't really need to show you the whole suite. Alright, here's the NAM. Here's the storm developing. La-di-da, la-di-da. You got the short wave in here. The Gulf of Mexico moisture's coming back up in here. And the short wave and the Gulf of Mexico moisture sort of stay separate, but they just form a giant comet head type of shape back here in the northeast, which is why very large areas are going to be appearing to get rain. The heaviest rain will be in two areas, in here and in here, where there's going to be some very heavy rainfall accumulation, about 1 to 2 inches. And then it pushes out. You see, we're kind of dancing with the 540 lines. That's why I'm thinking perhaps dusting on the backside. But it takes all day Thursday to clear out off to our west. It takes all morning Thursday to clear out in New England. Well, it takes all morning Thursday to clear out in the mid-Atlantic and southern New England. Northern New England stuck with it for a while. Let's talk about rainfall. Alright, everyone's favorite topic. There won't be a ton, but it will be significant. Here's the expected rainfall. You notice most of it's off to the east. It's about 1 to 2 inches. Admittedly, some spots get 3/4 of an inch. Some spots get 2.5. La-di-da, la-di-da. Not a huge deal. Something to watch. Just basically 1 to 2 inches east of the center. But if you look, the precipitation was not real heavy back up in the interior, so they're not seeing that much heavy rain. You're getting almost no rain in D.C. All the heavy rains to the east of the center, and a ton of heavy rain to the west of the center, actually 2 to 4 inches back in this area. Let's talk about winds. Wind speeds will be at the strongest during the pre-dawn hours of Thursday, when there's going to be multiple bursts of wind pushing through southern New England. It won't be as strong as earlier anticipated. They'll likely be gusts in the 30 to 50 mile an hour range. Here's the 925 millibar winds, and these are about 40 to 50 knot sustained winds at 925 millibars, which we were worried about those occasionally getting weakened and then brought down to the surface in the form of gusts in 30 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts. Waves, marine ramifications, there won't really be that much in terms of storm surge, but there will be a pretty good amount of wave action. Here's the storm sort of swell reach. We're getting a ground swell of about 5 to 8 feet starting for the day on Wednesday. The big waves are to the south, here at the south coast of New England, and the same along the mid-Atlantic. Storm moves through, our waves are strongest with the winds. Pre-dawn hours of Thursday. Anywhere between 10 and 18 feet. Although the best chance is that 18-foot waves stay offshore. There's going to be direct onshore flow of the winds back up in here. So just expect the potential for a little bit of overwash. As for Atlantic Canada, the storm's actually going to be weakening as it loses its moisture source. But there'll still be some pretty rough surf back in this region. Okay, I believe that's it for now in terms of snowfall, which I deleted that graphic for some reason, but there won't be much. The best chance for any snow would be back up in here, alright? So not really for us. Alright, well that's it for now, folks. Thanks for watching.